A few things had changed since my last visit, including these stainless steel bolts on the plenum chamber, a process that was going to happen across the car with most of the bolts being replaced. And here you can see the old bolt which came out. But the main thing for today was to get the steering rack back together and find out what the brakes were at the back.
Some anti-seize and all.
It's the standard.
That's the standard, yeah, Triumph, that's right.
And of course on this one we have the rose joints. Just right, anything I can do. I can sit here and
not really.
Fair enough.
Just get on with it. Put a little bit of anti-seize on there. 16 and a bit turns.
Yep, so if you have the bolt in facing upwards, that will catch it.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16-ish, somewhere about there. Right. So we need to bolt through. There's a spacer there.
Technical way of doing it.
Yep. Improvisation mallet. Nice stainless. There. These are half a UNF.
Those the ones we found last week on the bolt?
Yeah, the bolt's half UNF and tie rod is as well. Tie rod end. Right, spanners. I've got a lot of experience in engineering, so that should be tight enough. I don't need a torque wrench on it.
And one side's done.
There we go.
Are you tightening the nut up?
Yeah, I've got to tighten that up. Right, 1 3/4. So 19. That's because we've got a bit of paint on. Right, I need another. Like that.
Last time you had the absolute joy of.
Right, that should be alright.
Oh, yeah, that's all clean. Oh, hold on. Is that from before then?
What's that? That is a bit in it. Well, it looks like it's just come down from there.
Yeah.
I mean, when we first looked at it, we thought it was somewhere here, didn't we?
Well, no, I thought it was coming from down here.
Alright.
Oh, hold on. Found it.
Hang on.
So it's coming down from there. I think it's here.
So there's an hole, is there?
I think it's around there.
I just thought it was coming out at top of bloody, between gasket. There's out there.
It's not much.
I think it's just gasket, you know. There's no there.
No,
Yeah, look. You'll see it.
no, but
Huh?
as it just felt to be tracing up a little bit there.
Oh, right, see where,
Yeah.
where they've welded there.
Hmm.
There's no.
Yeah.
Put your fingers on it.
Yeah.
Look, where it's all wet is round gasket at bolt edge.
Yeah.
All the way around.
All lines themselves are fine. Intercooler's alright.
Yeah.
Union joint
Well,
there, it's fine.
It's not really an intercooler, what it is.
Well,
It's got a thermostatic oil switch.
Yeah, but I was going to say it's coming up here.
Yeah, it don't let it into cooler until it's got to a certain temperature.
Yeah.
I don't think there's aught wrong with that sum. I think it's just gasket. And, I mean, they put that blue stuff in. Look, can you see that blue stuff?
Yeah.
They've obviously had problems with it before.
Gasket gunk.
Look at starter motor. It's quite good actually compared with what it did look like.
When you first got it.
Yeah.
Got it back.
Right, that's them two mounting holes that I'm on about.
Yeah.
I saw one for an SD1 and it had the plate that went right over. It
Yeah.
had two holes and then it also had two big holes here so you could put socket up and get at them other bolts.
But the sump itself shouldn't have this plate there.
No, well they've either cut it off or they've welded it.
Yeah, well you can see here, you've got a weld line here, you've got a weld here.
Well, I mean, if you put your fingers on it, there's no oil on it. I think it's just coming out at bloody gasket. If that's all it is, that's good. I think they probably had a bit of trouble at the back of here.
Yeah.
I think that lip seal, maybe output bearing wants replacing. I'll put these Michaela things on and all.
Oh yeah.
They're
See
miles
that?
better. Look at them.
Clean!
Yeah. And then you can see where I put that spacer in there.
Yeah.
I put two new mountings on as well. Some nice new bolts. It's not touching up top of there now.
So the handbrake's
So
free.
that's good, yeah. Yeah. Right, okay, we'll jack back end up and have a see what we've got on there.
Fair enough.
So now it was time to find out what the back brakes actually were. We knew the front brakes from Austin Princess, but the back brakes were a complete and utter mystery. Now we were going to find out exactly what they were.
Way.
See if we can find out what these calipers are.
It'd be nice to know. They're not over tight, are they?
Got the locking nut.
Yeah. I probably didn't even know what happened to him.
Or
He'd been so quick.
probably just heard the noise and managed to get the thought of oh shit out the way.
It'd have been a split second, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Which is a blessing.
Right, round that side now. Look further back.
Isn't that further forward?
From the car's perspective.
Well, it's chassis stronger at the back of here.
Yeah.
It's got vertical bits. Oh, I suppose I could do them there.
I know you were just saying you were going to move it back and you just moved it forward.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a vertical bit just underneath there. I didn't want to bend this. I mean, they're pretty strong, but you never know.
Yeah, you're better safe than sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't fancy doing welding at the moment on it. Right, so it's somewhere about there. Somewhere about there. Exhaust. That's right underneath. Right, let's try it again. That looks alright. Right, we'll do this, won't it?
Yep, should be alright.
The one was a bit wonky, I replaced that one. Well, I mean, them things are in, they're like new, aren't they? Perhaps it was worth 12 grand. What do you think the price I paid?
That isn't bad. I mean, I've seen them for a bit more, but I've also seen them. I think it kind of depends as to how well they've been looked after.
I mean, 10 or 15 years ago, you could get a project one
Yeah.
for 7 or 8 grand. But you never see these bloody things for sale now. You see Mantulas.
Yeah.
And you know, you see later cars and you see the early ones. Well, early ones, they want this stupid money like 30 grand or whatever. They're trying to go for that, aren't they? I mean, I tried, but I thought, well, I'll probably have to come down a bit anyway because I'm realistic. You know what I mean? I've been doing classic cars a long time. I mean, new ones, you know, Mantulas and stuff like that. They were made in 90s and that.
Yeah.
You're still talking 17, 18, 20 grand. You know. There's a nice one on Car and Classic. It's convertible.
Apparently, there's a convertible of this.
It's they had a picture of underneath, and it was lovely.
Yeah.
All nice. Yeah.
Well, when I was looking this up, there's a convertible version of this.
Oh yeah, there is. Yeah. So
I'm surprised you didn't go for that.
it's alright. I've got a jigsaw in there. I'll do it now. I'm mad enough.
Helped a lot with steering and grip.
195's up front.
Yeah.
I wonder what caused you to crash on that bend.
Easy.
Going upwards.
It was wet.
Weird.
No, it was wet. I can't see anything.
No numbers.
No.
I wonder if the BMW was somewhere. Get some pictures anyway. I'll get some pictures on my phone.
Oh, wait a minute. Found something.
Got wire brush?
Yeah.
Right, just come out, wait a minute, I'll go and get it. Look at this one, it's not as harsh. It's quite soft. Here it says out on it.
You know what? I think this is another locking. I don't know what it's from. It is.
It can't be Princess, surely. They look too modern. They don't look like a 70s car, do they? You can sometimes tell from brake pads what they are. It's had new brake pads in it, hasn't it? Don't want to breathe that in. Does it sale? Can I get that over? No, I'll get that over.
With a bit more cleaning, we managed to get a clear image of the manufacturer and the part number. And when we looked them up, first off, we found out there were 2 actual manufacturers of this with the same part number. And the other thing being, these are from a Peugeot 306. And on checking for things like the brake discs, they were exactly the same. So now we had the manufacturer's part number and what car these came from. So while the wheels were off, it was time to give the rear chassis a bit of an inspection. What about the spring?
Yeah, that needs to come off. It looks a bit grotty, doesn't it? Under that blue, maybe. The other one was blue.
Is this where all where you were looking for a chassis for things like rust and stuff?
Yeah,
like that?
yeah. I mean, this was the worst part. I thought, well, if there's any rot, it's going to be round here.
Yeah. Oh, what about there? Just
Where? Here?
oh, no, just on the joint where it comes across. It just looks a little bit.
Here?
Like, nope, further on.
Here?
Further up there. Right. Nope, further on. It just looks a little bit. Oh, I'm just trying to get it on camera. Just by the look of it, it just looks a little bit like a crack. I think it is though. Just on the joint.
Seems pretty strong to me.
Yeah, it must be weight like it is, to be fair.
It's just how it's been welded. Yeah, it's right enough, is that? In fact, I might do a bit of painting on it later on when I come back.
I just had a thought.
I'm going to get them scrubbed clean though.
Yeah.
Copper slit these. And yeah, that'll be about it for today probably.
Okay. I've just had a thought. You know what we didn't check? Whether these are whether the front ones are 306 as well.
I wouldn't have thought they'd be.
No.
I don't think they are.
No. But yeah, we know those are though.
I reckon front ones were done when car were built.
Yeah, and these been done after.
I reckon these had drum brakes on till a few years back, maybe. How long do you reckon they've been on? 5-6 years maybe?
Maybe.
I reckon this has been it's a conversion for it.
The GT had drums at the back, didn't it?
Yeah, oh yeah, yeah.
And was that the same axle?
And I know some at Mantulas had drum brakes. They just had the standard Capri drum brakes on there because everything fits there. So no need to do anything silly.
What you found?
I think the mounting plate for these,
Yeah.
it's not welded on.
Okay.
It bolts on in there.
Right.
You know where cover plate goes on. I think they're mounted on in there.
Ah, right. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks that way. But no, you have a look, see what you think. Better get your head in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it's a plate, an adapter plate, which is good because they aren't welded to bloody axle itself. But you see all this here?
Yeah.
All these plates here?
Yeah.
These are Marcos.
Those are the original ones that were there.
Yeah, that's right. They've welded all that in. Because it would have had, when it went up Capri, it would have had leaf springs on. Yeah, interesting, innit? Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I'm getting to like this car. Oh, look, it's a spider up there.
Eviction.
Got it. Horrible things.
Don't forget to come back and visit us to see more of what's going on with this Marcos. And remember, some of these videos are exclusive to Patreon. We are available on YouTube, of course, and on Twitter, Facebook, and we have our website. All the links for that are down below and are in the general description as well. Take care.